So my question is, what is Huzuru's advice on treating parents with kindness and respect, even when their wishes may sometimes seem unwise?
Allah Ta'ala says in the Holy Quran that always be kind to your parents, obey them in all the matters, apart from that when they are speaking against Allah Ta'ala or His commandments or against your religion, the true religion of Islam, then you should not follow them. Otherwise, try to respect them, be kind to them, and Allah Ta'ala will bless you because of that. Sometimes you think their advice is unwise. You think now you are a PhD student, and after completing your PhD, you will be more knowledgeable person than your parents. They did only examination council secondary school at the most. But you think you are more educated, so you are more wise than them. No. Whether you are more wise than your parents, even then, you should obey them, respect them. And in your tradition even, traditionally you will have to respect your elders.
Yes, yes.
Right?
Yes,
and Africans are very particular in this.
Yes.
Right?
Yes.
So you have to follow your tradition as well.
Yes.
There are some good traditions which always match with the teaching of Islam.
Yes, yes.
Right? So you should follow them.
Yes,
apart from if they order you against the teaching of Islam or Quran or Allah Ta'ala, then say no, I will not accept this, otherwise you should follow them.
Yes,
okay?
Yes.
Or if you don't follow them, just kindly treat them and diplomatically refuse their order or whatever they are saying. Right?
Yes, sir.
Never be harsh to them.